Hello friends, this is Srinivas from Apex Institute. In this session, we are going to discuss about Apex Junior Olympiad Program. So, how this Junior Olympiad Program is designed, how the books are prepared, and how the practice sheets are given in the books, and very importantly, how the Apex team is going to be in coordination with you in the implementation of the Junior Olympiad Program in our schools. So, these are all points we are going to discuss in this session one by one. About Junior Olympiad Program. This Junior Olympiad Program supports the students to increase their thinking capabilities, analytical approach, problem solving methodologies. These all will be developed with this Olympiad program practice. So we are providing this Junior Olympiad program for primary children, as I told, for grade 1 to grade 5 students. And in this aspirants of Junior Olympiad program, we are covering majorly 3 subjects: mathematics, science, and reasoning. Very important subjects. On these 3 subjects, we are providing practice resource books from this Olympiad program. So, by coming to primary, here teachers, they may have some doubts regarding the books syllabus coverage. Like already in our schools, some publications might be being followed, and these books are given for the same primary students again. There and here, the chapters may or may not be synchronized. These kinds of doubts might be arisen among the teachers. No worry. So these books are prepared completely by taking consideration to NCERT syllabus. As different publications might be there in the market. In our school, one publication; in some other schools, different publications. They'll be using at primary level. But these all publications, they follow NCERT norms for preparation of the content. What topics to be there for a particular class student in particular subject. So these are prescribed with NCERT, nationwide syllabus. So as per that, these all books are being prepared. There may be some changes in the order of the chapters and the standard of the content in each publication to publication. But we have taken NCERT into consideration while preparing these books, because all the competitive examinations, all the Olympiad examinations held at nation level will take NCERT content as basis. Based upon that, the questions and question papers are going to be generated. For that purpose, we also have taken NCERT into consideration. Based upon that, the content is designed here. Almost it is going to be synchronized with the publication, whatever you follow in the school. There may be small disturbances like shuffling order and 1 or 2 concepts there and here. They may be changed based upon the authors. So to avoid these inconveniences, instead of giving directly the practice sheets in the Olympiad books, directly the questions in the Olympiad books, we have given some important points from every chapter as a quick review of concept. So instead of giving directly the practice sheet, before practice sheet, we have given summary of every chapter in the form of quick review. So there we have covered all the important points whichever are needed to do the practice sheet, to do solution for all the questions in the practice sheet. So we have covered here important points. So these all might be covered in your teaching from the regular textbook. As a teacher, you please go to the classroom with the proper preparation of these books, so that you can identify how far these all points are covered from the regular textbook or not. You can check those. If there are any points which are not covered in the regular textbook, we can cover these points first in the classroom. We can explain about those points in the class first. Then we can make the students to do practice sheets. So this quick review of points, quick review helps us to recapitulate the concepts we taught in the textbook, and all the points will be covered, and these all points will help to do the practice sheet. And in the practice sheet also, we have given 3 levels of questions which are at different standards. So in this, the first level questions will be a little simple. So if the students, if they listen to you in the classroom carefully, they can do these questions in their own. In such a way, these questions are designed in level 1 practice sheet. Means a little simple questions. And in the level 2 and level 3, the questions are given in such a way where teacher's assistance is must to the students to do those practice sheets. That means a little standard questions are given. So dear teachers, we request you to teach the content properly, and then you please encourage the students to do these level 1 questions in their own. First they have to start doing in their own. Whether they are going to get the correct answers or not, that is secondary. First we have to encourage the students to do the practice sheet, at least level 1 questions in their own, so that students will be involved in the work, in the program. Instead of sitting passive in the classroom, students must and should involve in the program. They have to start doing questions in their own. So at least in the level 1, they have to practice. They have to do. They have to try to do in their own. If they are not able to get answers, anyhow, as a teacher, we suggest them and we give some hints for them to do them, to solve the questions there. And at level 2 and level 3, if you observe, diagrammatic questions, chart-based questions, table-based, graph-based, different analytical approach type questions are given in the level 2 and level 3. A little standard questions. There, students may not be able to do these questions in their way, in their own. Of course, some students they may, but all the students we cannot expect to do these level 2 and level 3 questions. So there, compulsory you have to explain these questions, you have to give hints to the students, how to solve them, how to approach a solution, so that students can do these level 2 and level 3 questions. In such a way, each practice sheet is designed with the 3 levels of questions. Simple questions are given in the level 1 practice sheet, where bits are given such a way students can do in their own if they listen to you carefully in the class. And level 2, level 3 questions, we have to assist them to do that. And here, as a teacher, we suggest you not to do all the bits in your classroom by you. Please don't explain all the questions. Confine to fixed number of questions. Out of there might be around 50 to 60 questions in each practice sheet. You be prepared first before going to classroom. You confine to some questions there. You select some questions whichever are being a little standard. You explain those questions in the classroom and encourage the students to do the remaining easy bits in their own. So in that way, first of all, as a teacher, we can reduce our work, first one thing. Second, we are making the students being involved in the classroom work. This is very important, teachers. Please follow this. Now, let us see the important aspects, important points about this Junior Olympiad program. That means how the Apex team at the back end, how Apex team is going to be in coordination with you in the implementation of this Junior Olympiad program at our schools. Let us see those points too. As you might have seen the books provided you, no key or solution is given in the books. You might have seen that, because if any key or solution is seen in the booklet, students may not show interest in listening to in the classroom. As a teacher, you might know that. You may know that. For that purpose, we have not given any key or solution in the booklet. We are going to provide you complete printed key and solutions for all the subjects as a teacher's hand copy. You will get it at the earliest. So that handbook contains complete key for all the bits. There will be key, and wherever it is necessary, complete explanation also will be given. These books will save your time as a teacher. It is meant to save your time as a teacher, because we expect the teacher to do only 2 main things in the classroom, in the school, regarding this Junior Olympiad program. One, preparing thoroughly the books given you. Even though we might have plenty of experience in our subject, we request you to go to the classroom with the proper preparation, because what we have to teach for a particular day from this booklet, you may not know. So let us open the books, let us check them once, let us be prepared before going to the classroom. Then the second thing is giving quality teaching in the classroom. So these two, as a teacher, compulsory we have to do. These 2 things cannot be done by any others. Whether principals, admins or correspondents cannot do this job. From our side we cannot. Only teacher can do these things. So remaining things in the implementation of this program, at the back end we are going to support you. One thing, we have provided already books, and second one, complete key and solutions already we have done. We are going to provide you printed hand copy. Those books contain key for every bit, and there will be explanation also. You can say there will be correct answer and it's a relevant explanation whichever are required there. So in this way, key along with explanation will be there in the key and solution booklets which we are going to provide you. So with the help of this, we can save your time while preparing for that. For every bit key will be there. And along with the key and solutions, we are going to provide you complete academic plan, academic schedules. Academic schedules in the sense how many examinations we are going to plan, when they are going to be, and on which syllabus we have planned these examinations for the total academic year. We have planned already. We are going to share these with you very soon. So these academic schedules containing tentative dates for all the examinations. You can see there are around 11 examinations we have planned for this coming academic year. Out of these 11 examinations, 3 are in the first term. There are 3 chapter-based examinations, and at the end of the first term there is a cumulative examination which we call as revision examination, which includes the syllabus of these first 3 exams. In the second term there are 3 examinations, again we call them chapter-based examinations, and at the end of second term there is one more revision examination or cumulative examination. As we know, the third term is having a shorter span than the remaining 2, so only 2 chapter-based examinations are there, and at the end of the academic year we have planned a grand test on the total syllabus of the academic year. So in this way, pre-planned examination schedules we are going to share with you. Here we are trying to provide these examination schedules in 3 formats this academic year. One, it is to display in the classroom, in each classroom, class-wise examination schedule. You can say it is of 3rd grade. For 3rd grade, how many examinations are there? What is the syllabus for maths and sciences? Each from each subject. So just we can take a printout of the class-wise schedule. We can display in the classroom, so that students also will come to know what is the syllabus for different examinations. They also will be prepared for those exams, right? One more format, teachers examination schedule for teachers, because there might be math teacher and science teacher or even engineering teachers. For them, separately subject-wise examination schedules we are going to provide you. We will share you these all. So there, for subject teacher, all the classes examination schedule will be in one glance. From all of you can see here, it is of mathematics. From 1st class to 5th class, mathematics complete syllabus exam schedules are given here for all the exams. In third format, administrative, academic admin format. Here, for all the examination, for all classes, syllabus is mentioned in one chart. So this can be kept on the table of that particular admin or principal or correspondent, just for the monitoring purpose. So in this way, examination schedules, pre-planned examination schedules are provided at the starting itself. As per the schedules, so we can summarize here the points from these examination schedules. We are conducting chapter-based examinations, cumulative examinations at the end of each term, and the grand test. So in this way, we are planning examination schedules for the total academic year. And for these all exams, as per the schedule given you, printed question papers and OMR sheets we are going to provide you time to time. So as a teacher, need not to prepare any key and solutions for the questions given in the books. No need to waste your time there. Second one, no need to prepare any examination schedules from your side. We have done it already. You can save your time there also. And third one, we are going to prepare the question papers. Not only preparing, we are going to print them and we will send the printed copies to school for all the students. Question papers and OMR sheets. Just as a teacher, we have to complete our syllabus as per the schedule given. And then we can conduct these examinations by taking those question papers. And after completion of examination, we request the school admins or teacher in charges to send back these answered OMR sheets to our office. We are going to share the details of our office address and these all communication details to you very soon once the schools reopen and comes there. We are going to share all the details there. So to that address, you have to send these answered OMRs back to us through the available courier transport service, either courier or parcels. So we are going to receive them. After receiving those, our examination cell team, they will scan those with the machines, they analyze the results, they will generate the result analysis. So results will be given like this. So completely machinery scanning, there is no manual work in this. Just after receiving OM marks from our school, we are going to keep those in the scanner machine. Automatically they will be scanned. We give key input software. Automatically results will be generated. And not only that, we are going to mingle our students along with the remaining schools students in the particular class. And so that we are going to generate national ranks and positions also. So the format will be like this: student name, ID number, test details, subject-wise marks, total marks, class rank, national rank, position. These all complete analysis will be sent to school mail ID within 48 hours after receiving the OM mark sheets. So then we are going to give information about the results as we have seen. Immediately the concerned in charge or admin, they have to take a printout of these results class-wise, and then they should be displayed in the classroom immediately. So this should be happened after completion of examination within 2-3 days. If you display these results in the classroom, students will check their results, their marks, their ranks, their position. They'll compare these all. So this creates some sportive spirit and enthusiasm among the students. This should be happened in this program compulsory. So let us conduct the examination as per schedule, and then immediately you send back the OMRs to our office through available transport. We are going to analyze the results. Within 48 hours, we will share the results with you through mail. Then you have to take a printout of those results class-wise. You have to display them in the notice board. This should be happened compulsory. It is to be taken as responsibility by the concerned academic admins or teacher in charges. After checking these results by the students as well as teachers, there are no objections. With school permission, we are going to send the results as an SMS to every parent also. Yes, so even parents are also going to get communication after every examination. They will be given information about the program, how it is going in the school. So and so student, they have written this examination. These are the subject-wise marks, total marks, class rank. These all brief details will be sent to every parent. So need not to explain, tell them separately. So this information will be sent from Apex itself on behalf of school with the school name. So student parents are also going to be aware of the examinations being held at school. So this SMS, parent SMS will be sent only after the approval of school. This is very important because we share the results with the school. They will check them. If there are any troubles in that, like if any student they didn't get the results, because sometimes students they do mistakes in bubbling of OM mark sheets ID numbers. There are such kind, they may not get results. So without checking this, if we send any SMS to parent, that becomes a trouble again to us. That's why we won't send any SMS till you approve us. After checking these all, if there are any troubles, we are going to communicate. We sort out those first. Then after completion of getting clarity on those, with your permission, we are going to send an SMS to every parent also. And we are giving access to our mobile app to all the students as well as teachers. So in the mobile app, students can watch video lectures related to our content. You are teaching the classroom in the classroom or from our book. After completion of it teaching, students they can watch video lectures related to the content given in the book. So this enhances this. It will work like a revision or reference purpose to the students. Not only to the students, we are going to give access to teachers and admins also. They also can watch these videos what students are watching. Not only that, for teachers and admins especially, we are going to give another access where we can check complete key and solutions, examination schedules, model question papers, and results format. These all. So these all you can check there. Need not to carry these key and solution booklets which we are giving you always with you. You can keep them in the staff or somewhere else. Whenever and wherever you want to check the key and solutions, just take the mobile app, open it, you can check the book with the book. You can cross check them. So these key and solutions are going to be available in the mobile app for the teachers. So students just they can watch these video lectures. Teachers they can watch video lectures as well as they can check these key and solutions. And also we are giving access to students to attempt online examinations often. So yeah, we are going to assign often some online examinations apart from these offline exams. For all the offline examinations as per the schedule, printed question papers and OM mark sheets will be sent to you. They are going to write offline. Apart from that, additionally, often we are going to conduct some online examinations which supports students to enhance their performance in the offline examinations. So just they can open the mobile app, they can go to test portal, they can attempt them, they will submit there, they will get their results then and there itself instantaneously. No work to the teachers there also, right? And very importantly, we are going to create one dedicated WhatsApp group to our school to be in communication with you. After creating that group, we make our teacher, academic admins, principals, and correspondents who are available for us. So we are going to add them into the WhatsApp group. We make them admins, and we request them to add all the teachers who are going to deal this Olympiad program in our school. And from our side, all the Apex team will be there in the group. So this is specially dedicated group for our school communication. All the information from our side, whatever you want to give to the students or teachers or academic admins, we share in the group. So all the information from our side will be sent through the group only to you. And from your side also, whatever you want to communicate us, you can share in the WhatsApp group. For example, already we are providing complete key and solutions to you. If you still have any doubts on the key or solution or somewhere in the questions or any content clarification if it is needed, you can just take a snap of that particular question or concept, share in the WhatsApp group, and you can share your opinion in the WhatsApp group. So sorry, you have not given solution for this, you have given wrong solution, or it is something missing. Whatever your opinion, you can share there in the WhatsApp group. Our team immediately they are going to recheck that once again. They'll give resolution for that if it is wrong given there. They'll give you accurate solution for that. So in this way, there is a team to support you immediately wherever it is necessary in the implementation of this Apex Junior Olympiad program. Just you have to communicate with us. For that, we are going to provide you complete contact numbers also. Just the main source for the communication with the Apex team is WhatsApp group. We can communicate regarding this program, everything in the WhatsApp group. So we are going to respond immediately there. There is a team to support you immediately. And for the admins, we are going to provide these all contact numbers. If there are any general inquiries regarding the program, if they can call to this Apex Central Office number. Regarding the R&D contact number, we are providing for any doubts regarding the subjects. And examination cell contact number. If we have any doubts regarding the results, ID numbers and these all, they can contact this number and dispatch. If we need any extra books regarding of this Olympiad program, or if we have any extra books in our school to return those, these all details we can communicate with this dispatch contact number. So we are just a call away to support you. So, so still if you have any doubts regarding this implementation of Junior Olympiad program, comfortably you can share in the WhatsApp group regarding the program. If you have any doubts regarding the key and solutions, books, question papers, results. So as we told, after completion of, we are conducting examinations. After completion of examination, if it is intimated us through the WhatsApp group, so today we have completed so-and-so examination, we are going to share the key and solutions of those question papers also. How we are providing complete key and solutions for the booklets. In the same way, for every examination also, we are ready with complete key and solutions. Once if you inform us after completion of examination, collect the answered OMR sheets, hand over to the academic admins or principals, then one among our teachers, they can share in the group. Sir, we have completed so today test file so and so. Immediately we are going to share the test file key. Before going to the classroom after completion of examination, you can check the key first. Then only can you enter into the classroom. So this gives some clarity in the answers because you sometimes there might be no much time to check once again once all the questions given in the question papers. So these key and solutions will help you immediately. So regarding this all question papers, question paper key and solutions, and practice sheet questions, whatever it is, if you have any doubts still in running it, please share to the WhatsApp group. We are going to be in communication with you. We support you there. So with coordination, let us together transform the classrooms into academic excellence rooms. Thank you, team.